Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to Mechanics Life, and today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the final stage unit in a 2005 BMW X5, which is located in the passenger footwell. You do not have to take the dashboard or the glove compartment off. I'm not sure why people still do it, but all you have to do is just move this piece apart, and it's located right there. So the final stage unit sits right over here. Once again, I'm not sure why people move the glove compartment, but you can easily pull that out without pulling the glove compartment. And this is what it looks like, just in case you didn't know. And the symptoms were there was no air coming out of the vents. That's why I said, you know, I'm gonna change this first rather than thinking that it's the blower motor, which you have to take the whole dashboard off just to change that. So there's these clips right here that goes right over there, right here. There's one more clip down here. You just plug it in and you twist it. Now this thing is on here. There's one screw right here, and this whole panel will come down. Just unhook the light, you're good to go, and you can reach the final stage unit behind that. So let's put everything back and then we'll test the system. Now we're just gonna put the carpeting back. Just like so. And we have that one screw right here that's gonna go in to fixate this piece. And once we're good with this, we'll go ahead and test it. We'll put everything back. As you can see, moment of truth. Go ahead and start it. Yes, perfect. I don't know if you can hear this through the camera, but I am getting cold. Perfect. I didn't have to change the blower motor on this car. It was just the final stage unit. Everything works. Great. Alright guys, and this is how you change the final stage unit on a 2005 BMW X5, which is located on the passenger footwell on this side behind the panel. And once again, I showed you guys that you do not have to take off the glove compartment to do this replacement. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you on the next one.